All right, so welcome back to the White House Farm. What we're doing today is we're gonna go ahead and put the extension on here, which will bring it up a whole nother shelf level and give us more room for storage, because we always need more storage. And here it is right here. And this is the Dxst10000-EXT. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at it and get this thing installed. All right, we got our directions. Got some more brackets. These are attached to the wall and stuff. Got some more brackets. And actually, I think these brackets are what's going to connect this to the top shelf there. Alright, so here's the one side with the Dewalt on it. And here's our other side. And looks like we got our supports here, I believe. Yep. And I believe these are the braces in here. Yep, and there's our hardware and the braces. Yep. Okay. These ones are actually clipped in the middle. You can see that. Unlike our other ones, which were full panels, these are braced in the middle. Alright. So here's one leg. You gotta flip this around. There's our other one. And I gotta check the boxes there, because I think our plastic cap should be in there. Alright, so sure enough, they were in the bottom there. Alright, just like you've seen in all my other videos, one of these is gonna go on here. And let's see here. They should just pop on. Yep, just like that. And these pieces line up together here. And get our hardware out here. Get one of the long bolts there. And you gotta line these holes up. And it does have the Allen wrench and the adapter for your drill. Let's get it snug for right now. And we'll get our other piece in here. There we go. And then grab another bolt. And then this piece is going to go in here. Just line them up. All right. So that's one side done. Same thing now, we'll get this other one over here. Get our caps on. Alright, so that's both of them done now. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and tighten these up. And since this is being mounted up top, we can go ahead and take it. In order to make room, we got to move this down one, so that way it can attach up here. So let's go ahead and move this shelf. Alright, so now you're going to take your piece, you're going to match it up here, do that on both sides. Alright, so we got that lined up. Let's go ahead and hammer it into place. Okay, so now we're going to tap these down into place. Go ahead and throw those in. Let's not forget about when we put our shelf back in there on the lower one. I had to assist it a little bit in the back to get that back tab down there to get the safety pin in. Alright, let's go ahead and do the other side. But you can see that's what it looks like. And there's the inside. So, alright, let's get this other side on. Alright, so line everything up, get our other one on. There we go. Pound it into place. Make sure we can fit these in. Yep. So that's down far enough. Put those in. Now let's get this side down. Get our tabs in. Alright, so now that we got the sides up, let's go ahead and attach the top frame. Of course, we want the nice Dewalt to be on the outside here. Alright, got one on, let's get the other one on. Ladders do help. Alright, let's hammer them into place. Let's go ahead and get our strapping on there. So we got 3 strappings and 6 bolts. And just like when you're assembling this and any of the other ones, the nut's going to face up. Alright, throw our supports in. Now we can go ahead and put our wire bottom board up there. Wire bottom. Now we got our 4 clips, just like we did with this one and the other ones. Go ahead and put them in. So, there it is. This thing is huge. It's perfect though, fits perfect. And we gotta go ahead and put our safety pins in. And then this thing is all done. And then there's those clips. Got one in each corner. Yeah, this thing's nice and solid, that's for sure. Alright, so we are all set now. If you are planning on getting one of these, I wasn't too sure at first, but then I decided, yeah, more space is better. It'd be a lot easier so you don't have to disassemble and move the shelf down. I mean, you saw how simple it was, but it'd be a lot easier if you already had it and just installed the whole way up. But it is all set now. This thing is a beaut. Move this ladder, get a full view. But yeah, that is pretty cool. Lots of room for stuff now. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sleeps 5 people comfortably. Nah, just kidding. All right, so we're all set here. So once again, we hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.